Welcome to the Redmond Audio Report, your IT news podcast for the week of May 28. I'm your host, Chris Paoli, bringing you the latest from Microsoft and the tech world. Let's dive right in. Microsoft Build dominated the tech headlines last week, with AI agents taking center stage at the company's annual developer conference. Microsoft unveiled a comprehensive vision for how autonomous software agents will transform the enterprise, introducing several new tools to make these AI assistants more secure, collaborative, and business-ready. One of the standout announcements was Microsoft Entra Agent ID, which extends identity management to AI agents. Think of it as giving your digital AI teammates the same security protections you apply to human employees. Organizations can now apply conditional access, audit trails, and lifecycle policies to agents built across Microsoft tools. Copilot Studio received major upgrades, including support for multi-agent systems. This enables developers to design agents that work together, delegating tasks to one another to achieve shared outcomes. Microsoft also announced Microsoft 365 Copilot Tuning, a low-code solution that allows organizations to train AI models using their own data and workflows. On the Azure front, Microsoft made several significant announcements, including the general availability of the Foundry Agent Service and the public preview of the Voice Live API. This new tool allows developers to build AI voice agents capable of real-time, two-way conversations that mimic natural phone calls. Microsoft also introduced the Document Indexer for Azure Cosmos DB, which enables automatic processing of unstructured documents. SQL Server fans got some exciting news with the public preview of SQL Server 2025. The latest release features major enhancements in AI integration, performance, reliability, and developer tools. New features include a JSON data type, support for regular expressions, and an optimized SPPAW execute SQL function that can dramatically improve performance for dynamic SQL queries. For developers, GitHub introduced a new Copilot coding agent that can take on routine tasks. Developers can now assign GitHub issues directly to Copilot, which then writes and submits code via pull requests. Microsoft also announced that Windows 11 will adopt and secure the Model Context Protocol, an emerging standard for inter-agent communication. Shifting to security news, Microsoft has been reinforcing warnings about Active Directory domain controllers being prime targets in ransomware attacks. According to Microsoft's internal data, more than 78% of human-operated ransomware attacks involve domain controller breaches. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint has introduced a new capability to automatically contain high-value assets like domain controllers if they're compromised. Microsoft's threat intelligence team also reported on an espionage group based in Turkey that has been exploiting a zero-day flaw in Output Messenger to target military personnel in Iraq. The group, known as Marble Dust, has been active since April 2024, targeting users who failed to patch a critical vulnerability that allows attackers to exfiltrate sensitive data. Finally, Microsoft's May security update addressed 7 zero-day vulnerabilities, with 5 actively being exploited by attackers. 2 of the most severe zero days are tied to the Windows Common Log File System driver, which can be exploited to elevate privileges on fully supported versions of Windows. Security experts recommend patching these vulnerabilities immediately. That wraps up our tech news roundup for the week. I'm Chris Paoli, and this has been the Redmond Audio Report. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time with more insights from the world of Microsoft and beyond.